examples 7 and 8 are going to ask you for a specific term in an expansion. So they don't want the whole answer, they just want the fifth term. All right. I do need to use Pascal's triangle to help me with that. All right. And again, if I can figure out any row to start off with, I can start there to build it down to where I need to go. I don't expect you to memorize all the way down, but usually people can get 1, 3, 3, 1. That's pretty easy. All right. I'll give you one quick little hint. If you need to get way down there, like the 6th power is kind of big. Oh, my calculator's not opening. There it goes. All right. There is a way to get the 4 row. So you can start at the 4 row. It's by doing this. You type in your calculator 11 caret 4. 14641. 11 caret 3, by the way, is 1331. Just 11 just happens to work with this Pascal's triangle. Just a coincidental thing that happens. But if you need to start off at the 4, like 6th power, if you want to start off with the 4th power, just type 11 to the 4th equals. It'll spit out the row. 11 to the 5th fails because we run out of, oops, 11 to the 5th, especially with the wrong buttons. It's not that row. It was 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. Once you get those double-digit numbers, then it messes everything up. So everything else is single digit. So if you need to know what the 4th row is and you can't remember it off the top of your head, punch 11 to the 4th equals, it'll spit out the row. 14641. So 14641, we'll start there. Again, I need to build the triangle in order to create a structure that allows me to find out what the 5th term will be. Okay. So the next row down is going to be 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. The next row down is 1, 6, 15, 20, 15, 6, 1. All right? Again, every time, start with a 1, add. 1 and 5 make 6, 10 and 5 make 15, 10 and 10 make 20, 10 and 5 make 15, 1 and 5 make 6, end with a 1. Start with a 1, end with a 1, add them up to get every other number. If you can start on any row, and again, I just did 11 to the 4th power, that got me that row. Then every other row below that, just add them up to make the next row down. This says the 6th power, so I need the row with 6 in the second box, right? So that's the correct row. So again, the technique so far looks pretty much the same, right? We're not asked to do the same thing, but we're using the same technique. Now, what I'm trying to do here is find exactly one term. I don't want to find the whole answer. I just want to find one answer. All right, so 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th. I can identify in the row of Pascal's triangle each and every number that goes with each and every term. So if I need the 5th term, I need to pick the 5th number. So if I'm trying to find the 5th term, that's what it says here, the 5th term. That's why I circled the 15, because 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the 5th number. If they wanted a 4th term, 20 would be the number. If they wanted the 2nd term, 6 would be the number. Right? So the 5th term of that, so I'm going to write 15, and then I'm going to have an x and I'm going to have a y, right? So what I need to know now is what should the powers of x and y be? And the way to do that is just to work the pattern as I would have, right? If I'm building the whole thing, this will be x to the what? The first term will be x to the 6th, and then
5th,
and then
4th,
and then
3rd,
and then so x to the 2nd.
and then y.
And the 2nd term will start at
0,
0, so 0 then,
1,
then,
2,
then,
3,
then 4. All right? So again, I don't have to do every single bit of the problem. I'm just trying to find one specific term. And I'm going through what the technique is, but I'm not writing everything down because I don't need all the answers. This is it, and then if I simplify as much as possible, all I can do is make without the parentheses 15x squared y to the 4th. That is the 5th term of that sequence.